Hello, today we want to focus on one of the most important tips in Ichimoku. By applying this tip, you can significantly grow your trading account without the fear of sudden price reversals. Let's get straight to the main point. When you place Ichimoku on the chart, the very first step is to check the daily and 4-hour time frames to determine the overall trend direction. If the trend is bullish, we then move down to lower time frames, whichever time frame provides the setup we are looking for. For example, in this chart, on the 15-minute time frame, we identified an important formation within the Coup cloud. Now we arrive at the most critical part of this strategy. When the price comes from an uptrend and begins a correction inside the Coup cloud, you must carefully observe the behavior of span A and span B. When span B flattens and span A crosses it, the cloud transitions through a sequence. Bearish switch, bearish switch, and finally, the last switch must be bullish. This final bullish switch is the key signal that confirms the strength of the setup. When the final switch occurs, pay close attention to the chart image. Your span B must move upward exactly as shown in the chart. This means that the 52-period high should be broken. At that point, you can enter a buy trade with the lowest possible risk. You may also enter a position before the 52-period high is broken, but that would involve a higher level of risk. One last point. Make sure that your chiku is also outside of the eTMO and not entangled with the price. It should be completely free. Oh, by the way, let me tell you this important point. The other eTMO parameters have been removed to provide a clearer and simpler view. Guys, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to smash that like button. I promise, the tips we're about to share are things you've never heard anywhere else.